So guys, this did not work for me. Maybe because I didn't paint it black, but totally did not work for me. I'm gonna try to paint it black and then see what happens. But this ice box with submersible water heater in it, and doing it in the daytime because we have solar system anyways. Let's see how much I'm gonna incur in our bill. It should be free because I have solar. I'm excited. Temperature, came out after lunch. I checked, 103.6. That's cool. Let's see, I think it shuts off automatically, which is really great. Awesome. Now I'm gonna empty this ice box out and replace it with cold water. This thing really works. The only drawback is that I have to come out here every 10 minutes or 15 minutes to empty out this ice box because it's 100 degrees already, the water. So now I'm emptying it and I'm replacing it with cold pump water, so it will heat up again. The temperature drops to 89 now, 88, while it's dispensing to the pool. I have to think about how I can do this automatically. That's my next project with Ben. But I'm excited. I think I can swim in a day or so. Update you guys later. Oops. Need to dump the hot water again. And it's getting hotter. I'm gonna have an auto temperature release. I'm gonna work on that with Ben.